Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Dog Food Recipe Books is probably one of the most valuable resources for pet owners who are passionate about providing their canine companions with the highest quality nutrition, offering a wide variety of recipes tailored to different breeds, ages, and dietary needs. These books empower pet owners to create delicious and nutritious meals, ensuring their dogs receive the specific nutrients they require for a healthy and happy life, while also allowing for customization based on individual preferences and any potential allergies or health concerns. Number 5. No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. Tired of store-bought bread? This cookbook makes baking delicious bread at home easier than ever before. Discover simple, hands-off recipes for perfect loaves every time. It features a collection of easy-to-follow recipes designed for your bread machine. Each recipe is clearly explained, ensuring baking success for even beginner bakers. From classic white bread to more adventurous flavors, it offers a wide variety of recipes. You'll find something to satisfy every taste preference. It's all about convenience. These recipes minimize hands-on time, allowing you to enjoy the process without the fuss. With these recipes, you'll achieve perfectly risen, golden brown loaves every time. Get ready to enjoy the taste and aroma of freshly baked bread. This cookbook is your secret ingredient to delicious homemade bread. Start baking today and experience the joy of freshly baked goodness. What we like. This cookbook simplifies bread making with its straightforward recipes. If you're new to baking or want consistent results using a bread machine, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for busy individuals who want delicious, homemade bread without the fuss. What people say. The recipes are straightforward, and the convenience of just tossing everything into the bread machine and letting it do its thing is a lifesaver. The variety of recipes is fantastic. From savory vegetable breads to cheese breads, herb-infused loaves, and even fruit breads, this cookbook has something for everyone. The recipes are down to earth with ingredients already in the pantry and details for 1, 2, and 2 pound loaves. Tips and substitutions are listed and the print is easy to read. Recipes are easy to follow and I've bookmarked at least 3 breads in each chapter. Number 4. Home cooking for your dog. Is your dog's health a priority? Discover the joy of preparing nutritious meals at home. It's easier than you think. This cookbook offers 75 holistic recipes. Each one is designed to support your dog's well-being with delicious, healthy ingredients. We focus on natural, wholesome ingredients. These recipes avoid artificial additives and preservatives, promoting optimal health. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be amazed at how much your dog loves these homemade meals. Watch your dog thrive with improved digestion, shinier coat, and increased energy. It's a rewarding experience for both of you. Each recipe includes clear, step-by-step instructions and helpful tips. Making nutritious meals is simple and fun. What we like. It emphasizes holistic and healthy recipes for canine companions. If you prioritize your dog's well-being and want to improve their diet with homemade food, this cookbook is a must-have. The variety ensures you can find options your dog will love. What people say. It not only has recipes for fun dog meals, it has comprehensive nutrition and serving size per weight of dogs. Aside from being easy to follow, it broke everything down in a way that just made sense. After reading, I felt that I had a solid understanding of how to plan and make healthy and nutritious meals for my pup. The beginning of the book is full of great information like foods that are good/bad for dogs, how much to feed them, what supplements to put in the food to make sure you are meeting their nutritional needs, etc. Then the book is divided into cooked recipes, raw recipes, and snacks, and the recipes are easy. Number 3. Dr. Becker's Real Food. Is your pet's food giving them the nutrition they need? Dr. Becker's Real Food provides simple, wholesome ingredients for a healthier pet. It's made with real, recognizable ingredients, just like you'd make at home. See the difference it makes in your pet's energy and coat. These recipes are inspired by homemade meals, offering a delicious and nutritious option for your furry friend. It's the perfect balance of taste and health. Watch as it improves your pet's digestion and gives them a radiant, healthy coat. You'll notice a difference in their overall well-being. See your pet thrive with increased energy and a happier disposition. Give them the gift of real food. Choose Dr. Becker's Real Food and give your pet the nutrition they deserve. It's the simple choice for a healthier, happier life. What we like. This cookbook focuses on simple, real food recipes for both dogs and cats. If you want to feed your pets a diet based on wholesome ingredients, and you're looking for easy-to-follow instructions, this is a great option. It's perfect for pet owners who want to make a positive impact on their animal's health. What people say. This book teaches you exactly how much micronutrients, macronutrients, and vitamins your pet needs. Book does have a lot of information, so I would suggest to have something handy to take notes, because you will need all your notes to make your balanced meal. Even though it's a relatively small book, it manages to go through most, if not all, aspects of nutrition, including recipes, supplement considerations, discussion about the necessity of feeding bones versus bone replacement, etc. Number 2. Easy Dog Food Recipes. Hello, and welcome to Easy Dog Food Recipes. We'll show you how to make delicious and healthy meals for your furry friend. Let's get started. This recipe is simple and packed with nutrients. It's a great option for dogs of all ages and breeds. Your dog will love this healthy and tasty meal. This recipe is full of flavor and essential vitamins. It's a perfect way to ensure your dog gets a balanced diet. Prepare this delicious meal for your canine companion today. This recipe is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting healthy skin and coat. It's a delicious and nutritious choice for your dog. Watch how easy it is to prepare this recipe. This recipe is lean and protein-rich, perfect for active dogs. It's a simple recipe that will keep your dog happy and healthy. Give your dog the gift of delicious and nutritious food. These tasty treats are a fun and healthy snack. They are easy to make and a great way to spoil your furry friend. Enjoy making these simple and delicious treats. What we like. It offers a wide variety of safe and healthy recipes for your canine friend. If you're looking for a diverse range of options to keep your dog's meals interesting, while ensuring their safety, this cookbook is perfect. It's ideal for pet owners who want to provide nutritious and delicious meals without extensive culinary skills. What people say. The recipes are easy and contain healthy ingredients that you can eat right along with your dog. There are sections on what nutrients and vitamins your dog needs, the pros and cons of commercial foods, what not to feed your dog, portion control, and more. The layout of the buco is engaging, with bright colors and lots of white space. Recipes are divided into treats, broths, meaty mains, and extras. Recipes are very well explained. Author has a ton of knowledge regarding dogs and diets. My Bubba has thus far enjoyed every recipe I've made. And every recipe can be consumed by me as well. Made with all natural ingredients, I know every single item he consumes. Calories, protein and carbs are listed for each recipe. This is such an informative book. Recipes used easy-to-obtain ingredients that are safe for dogs to eat, are very tasty, not a dish refused so far, unlike previously when using manufactured, shop-bought dog food. The book contains a list of foods that are toxic to dogs, not fully comprehensive but had important never-feed foodstuff. Additionally, these are also human-friendly so you can choose to eat some with your dog. Number 1. Homemade Dog Food Cookbook. This cookbook provides 150+ recipes for creating healthy and delicious meals and treats for your canine companion. It's designed to help you enhance their longevity and happiness with a balanced diet. Discover the benefits of preparing your dog's food at home. You'll gain control over the ingredients, ensuring a balanced and nutritious diet tailored to their specific needs. This cookbook features quick and simple recipes that won't take up too much of your time. Even busy pet owners can easily prepare healthy meals. Each recipe is carefully formulated to provide a balanced diet, ensuring your dog receives all the essential nutrients they need to thrive. We prioritize safety and nutrition. From tasty meals to delightful treats, this cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes to keep your furry friend happy and engaged with their food. There's something for every dog. By providing your dog with a nutritious diet, you can contribute to their overall health, happiness, and longevity. Give them the gift of healthy eating. What we like. This comprehensive guide provides a large selection of recipes for both meals and treats. If you want to create a balanced and varied diet for your dog, and you're looking for a wide range of options, this is the ultimate resource. It's perfect for dedicated pet owners who want to enhance their dog's health and happiness through homemade food. What people say. The detailed nutrition insights were very helpful. I loved that it didn't just give recipes but also explained the why behind each ingredient. Transitioning to homemade dog food felt less daunting with their step-by-step guidance. This cookbook has been a huge resource, offering recipes that cater to his specific needs, like low-fat options to maintain a healthy weight and joint-friendly meals with nutrient-rich ingredients. It's given me peace of mind knowing I can create meals that support his aging body while still keeping him energized and happy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.